Principal Ma'am, teachers, other school staff and all my dear friends. We all have gathered here with the blessings of our beloved founder Vatsayan sir, who is much more than a mentor, an educator and a visionary who dedicated his life to shaping the future through the power of education. As we know, this school was founded on 31st March 1994, but its foundation day is celebrated on 19 January on our Honorable Secretary Mahatham Ramatul Vatsayan sir, as what we all fondly remember him. In his astonishing journey of life that had a humble beginning, he achieved an incredible success and accomplished a golden name for him in the field of religion, culture and education. In 1958, he laid the foundation of his first educational institution. And thereafter, like a fearless lion, he continued his journey through the world of education. As I speak today, I reminded of his words. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. But science had not only believed in this principle, but Leaky had established more than 100 educational institutions from the lower primary level to the postgraduate level, where young minds could grow, explore and achieve greatness. Through his institutions, he empowered countless individuals, many of whom are now leading to the figure of our society today. JD Women College, JD Middle School, Kamala Nehru High School, St. M.G. High School, Model St. Xavier School, Buddhist Mission Dental College, and hospitals are few they have in Patna. His contributions count much more in Bihar and Jharkhand's academic and cultural field. Our Honorable Mrs. Ajit Vatsayan Ma'am has always stood firmly beside him. Such personalities are encountered only by great fortune, and it is not easy to fully appreciate their virtues. Vatsayan's impact was not only confined to the walls of classrooms. He inspired everyone. He made with his kindness, humility, and unwavering commitment for the betterment of the world. As we remember Vatsayan sir, let us also commit to carrying forward his mission. Let us honor his memory by ensuring that his values and dreams continue to thrive. And each of us is a testament to his incredible vision and determination. Let us build on his foundation, empowering others just as he empowered us. And as we reflect on his extraordinary life, let us find inspiration in his words. The purpose of life is not only to be happy, it is to be useful, to be compassionate, and to have made some difference that you have lived and lived well. Thank you.
Yes. We will all say happy birthday to our beloved secretary, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
What a wonderful, wonderful assembly. And I must thank all the teachers who helped the children to prepare. And what I loved most was the discipline that all of you showed during entire assembly. So that is the reflection of what you're being made. You're being in future. How would you be? How your personalities are being shaped, right? So one of the key quotation of our sir used to be, "Discipline is the key to success." This was one of his favorite quote, and it is very meaningful. If a child, anybody who's disciplined, then the life, difficulties, everybody's life difficulty comes. Nobody, Buddha has said suffering hai, difficulties is there. But with your discipline, you can walk through all the difficulties well. Right? पता है ना ये बात? अगर हम लोग सुबह में टाइम से उठते हैं, टाइम से हम लोग स्कूल पहुंचते हैं, अपना डिसिप्लिन में क्लास में रहते हैं, घर जाके डिसिप्लिन में रहते हैं, then you turn out to be a responsible citizen. All right? So this you will always keep in mind. Second thing which you always used to quote was, man is the architect of his own future. Correct? आप अपना फ्यूचर खुद बना सकते हो. And for that, education is the most important weapon. If you all study well, एक बार आपके पास एजुकेशन आएगी, ना तो उसे कोई चुरा सकता है, ना तो कोई आपसे छीन सकता है. आपकी जो डिग्री अर्न है, आपने जो नॉलेज गेन किया है, which will help you to build your life. So remember, I meet so many people from small to big. Children who have studied well are doing well. Children who have not studied well, they may get success. It depends about also how enterprising you are or how much. But mostly 90% अगर आपके पास अच्छी डिग्री है, आपके पास अच्छी एजुकेशन है, तो आप सक्सेसफुल होंगे ही, guaranteed. Right? From our own community, from our own school, there's so many examples, The one girl who comes in my mind is Sakshi. I think she went to IIT Bombay and then I'm sure abroad, and so many other children who have passed from our schools are doing so well. Very recently, Varun was there. He is doing his engineering in artificial intelligence. The key top field these days, artificial intelligence. So, बच्चों पढ़ोगे अच्छे से, focused रहोगे, then you can build your life. And the secretary sir is the example of it. He came from a very humble background. I've gone and seen his village. Gunpur में उनका घर है. I mean, there were 4-5 brothers. His father used to work in Calcutta. He used to live with his uncles. The uncles used to mistreat him. तो बहुत डिफिकल्टीज थी, बट उस डिफिकल्टी में भी सोचा था ना कि नहीं, हम वहां से निकल के पटना में आएंगे. पटना में खुद एडमिशन कराया मिला हाई स्कूल में. कोई साथ में आया नहीं एडमिशन करवाने के लिए. योर एज 9th and 10th, खुद आकर अपना स्वयं जाके मिला स्कूल में. नहीं हो रहा था एडमिशन, क्या करना है. मॉर्निंग में साइकिल से जाके चले गए प्रिंसिपल के बंगलों के बाहर. वो चाय पी रहे थे तो बोले, हम आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं महाशय, मेरे को मेरे और मेरे भाई का एडमिशन कराओ. सी द कॉन्फिडेंस, राइट? सो कॉन्फिडेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब आप डिटरमिन्ड होंगे, कॉन्फिडेंट होंगे, नथिंग कैन. एंड दीज टू वर वेरी good qualities of sir which took him far. Confidence and किसी से नहीं डरकर बोल्डली जाके बात करना है. ठीक है बच्चों? अगर आप सही हो तो आपको कहीं पे आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे ये करना है, तो कैसे करना है, क्या क्या निकला, पियोन जाने नहीं दे एडमिशन में कि एडमिशन तो खत्म हो गया है, आपकी एडमिशन नहीं होगी, तो दिमाग लगाना कि नहीं हम जाएंगे वहां पे बात करेंगे. So this is how you have to be inspired too. And then of course it is education, then he got a job करते थे, स्कूल खोलने का सोचे, बहुत मेहनत किए हैं, साइकिल से बच्चे लेकर आते थे, राइट. चीजें ऐसी ही नहीं बन जाती हैं, उसके पीछे बहुत मेहनत और विजन होता है. And different places he worked. Slowly he made a name, so many institutions, it's not a joke. Especially and with full hard work only. Calm and calm. Of course he had the biggest support of his wife because he did not have to worry about home front. The children were very well brought up. There were no worries from that end. ठीक है, तो आदमी अपने आप को सक्सेसफुल बनाता है. सक्सेस आदमी का और सपोर्ट सिस्टम से भी बनता है ना. लेकिन सबसे पहले आप खुद डिसिप्लिन रहेंगे, कॉन्फिडेंट रहेंगे, पॉजिटिव रहेंगे. एंड एम्पावरमेंट की बात होती है, अभी विमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात होती है ना आजकल. सर आई थॉट अबाउट विमेन एम्पावरमेंट लॉन्ग अगो. जेडी विमेन्स कॉलेज सिर्फ लड़कियों के लिए, कमला नेहरू गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल सिर्फ लड़कियों की पढ़ाई के लिए, राइट. इवन इन द फैमिली विद अस दैट यू हैव टू डू समथिंग. ऐसा नहीं था डॉटर इन लॉ आए हैं तो कुछ नहीं करना है, घर में रहना है. ये डॉटर से नहीं करना है, निकलना है बाहर. दैट इज द विजन ऑफ अ सुप्रीम बीइंग, somebody who is a true leader, right? Who is a true leader? बताओ. A true leader is a person who is not afraid कि मैं insecure, वो जो who is not insecure, right? वो अपने पीछे भी लीडर्स को बनाते हैं, ठीक है ना. जो सिक्योर लीडर होता है उसकी सच खासियत ये होती है कि वो अपने औरों को भी लीडर बनाता है, सब साथ मिलकर कर रहे सक्सीड हो. तो अ ट्रू लीडर इज दैट, करेक्ट. So today again we will remember him, pray his homage, not just today, every day. हम लोग दोनों स्कूल में आते हैं, सबसे पहले सर का फोटो देखते हैं, बस उनका आशीर्वाद लेकर अपना क्लासेस करो, खूब मन लगा के पढ़ना है और अच्छे सिटीजन्स बनना है, जिससे हम लोग सब सर भी हम लोग सब सारे स्कूल आपसे प्राउड फील करें. करेक्ट. आज अभी प्रोग्राम इतना सुंदर भजन और इतना सुंदर प्रेयर एंड एवरीथिंग, इट वाज सो हार्ट टचिंग. तो बहुत बच्चे अच्छा लगा, हार्ट मतलब दिल को लगने वाला मेलोडियस सॉन्ग था, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. सो नाउ वी विल एंड द प्रोग्राम विद द नेशनल एंथम. दैट इज द प्रोग्राम, नेशनल एंथम ओनली.